Hello everyone, this is Master Ben Motions here, and today we are going to be reviewing a LEGO Creator set. It is ages 6 and up, set number 30577, Super Muscle Car. This set comes with 63 pieces, and let's get to reviewing. Now these are the instructions. It says you can win, you know, this is like the little, it has at least 20 pages. So, yeah, you just flip it aside, you see the next pages. And now that I got all the pieces out, let's start building. Now we are going to start building, so here we go. Let's start. I'll do a time lapse so you guys won't have to watch me do all this stuff. This is a finished project. Here it is. Here is the Super Muscle Car. I forgot what it's named, but here we go. It is. I really like the build. It's really nice. It's a nice little short build. You know, it starts out with the window, like the little car lights, and then this engine. I'm saying this. This is the windows. It has like tinted black windows. You know, and then on the back, it's like a supercar. You know, it's so like it's red right here, just the roof. And it has a spoiler, and right here, a spoiler. It's just what those race cars have. Black wheels, nice black wheels, tiny black wheels. This is supposed to be the car door, like, so so person can get in. This design back here looks pretty weird to me. I don't know what's about you guys. But yeah, I just made it brighter. Now you can see it. It's pretty weird to me. I don't know. Yeah, so far, so good. I like it. And, it's nice. It's a nice, it goes really fast. It can, like, boom, go like that. So, yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, do anything you can for my channel. And I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Goodbye.